Meaning of immunization.
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 Immunization. Immunization refers to the process of protecting an individual or a community from infectious diseases by introducing a vaccine. Vaccines contain a weakened or dead form of a specific pathogen that triggers the immune system to produce antibodies. These antibodies enable the immune system to recognize and fight the pathogen if it infects the body in the future. Immunization has been instrumental in eradicating several deadly diseases, including smallpox, and reducing the prevalence of others, such as measles and polio. It is a critical tool for maintaining public health and preventing the spread of infectious diseases.